Hello everybody, welcome to the CTIMR project kickoff meeting. As you all know, you all have been identified as core team members for this project. Let me introduce myself. I'm Saloni Shah and I have been managing projects since past 2 years. I'll be the project manager for CTIMR project. Let's go over the agenda for this meeting. First of all, we will discuss briefly the project overview, what exactly we are planning to accomplish via this project. We will define some project scopes. We will go over the core team members, their roles and responsibilities, and their areas of expertise. We will spend a little more time discussing the major deliverables we will be trying to accomplish through this project. We will go over the project assumptions, project exclusions, and project acceptance. Okay, so project overview. This project will introduce IMR, that is Iterative Model Reconstruction Technique, which will reconstruct CT scanner raw data into images with noise levels which will be less than or equal to existing FPP image reconstruction methods. IMR will be introduced on MCT, FLAIR, and TR64 family of products. These capabilities will be available for forward production. So what is IMR? IMR is an iterative construction technique that allows a product to generate images containing less than or equal noise levels when compared to images reconstructed with traditional FPP techniques. The reduction of noise in CT images may also allow users to select a lower dose for scanners. Now, when we select the lower dose scans, we may have poor image quality, which will be represented by noise. However, by using the IMR technique, it will allow the user to reduce the noise in these images and improve the quality of image. Project scope. So the scope of this project is to develop the IMR feature and integrate the IMR into FLAIR, MCT, and TR64 product. So the software version for all the three products would be 4.1. In principle, the development for this project is organized around developing the IMR feature and then integrating it into these target products with the reconstruction hardware. So there is one thread of development for IMR with the first transition into FLAIR product, second transition would be into MCT, and third would be into TR64 product. The IMR feature will also have a 510K submission which is required by FDA. The primary customer value driver from IMR is that customer will have the ability to reconstruct raw data into images with noise levels less than or equal to existing image reconstruction methods. There are multiple business value drivers for this project. The key business driver is that IMR should provide better profit margins than the UDOS technique which we are currently using. The second business driver is that it should compete effectively against other vendors' iterative reconstruction offerings. For example, Simpkins VO system. Okay, so as you all know, you all are the core team members for this project. So let's go over your areas of expertise and your current roles. I'm Saloni Shah. I'm the project manager and my areas of expertise are project management and operations, as I was the manager of operations before getting into the project manager role. Karen is the marketing product manager. She has expertise in working with customers and understanding their requirements. Joe is the operations lead. He is currently leading the manufacturing and production team. His area of expertise is making sure that all the systems are built without any defect, without any non-compliance. Ted and Helen, both of you are identified as purchasing leads. You guys would be supporting us by working with purchasing and contracts departments and procuring the items, making sure that all the items are procured on time, making sure that none of those are damaged, and all of the items that we procure are meeting the requirements. Charles and Brian will act as customer support lead, who will be working with customers and resolving their complaints. Sharita is the Q&R lead. She has experience in working with quality and regulatory departments. Bulent is the systems technical lead. His area of expertise is understanding the system's requirements and working with the design engineers and validation leads. Kathy is a software validation lead, who will be validating the software and resolving the defects. Howard is the product quality engineer. Howard's area of expertise is maintaining the product quality throughout the system build and test. Danny, Bill, and Pavana are the core team members from software verification department. Their area of expertise is to create test cases and verify them against the software. Okay, so here are the major deliverables which we are going to accomplish throughout the project. We are planning to start the project with the phase 1, which is a product proposal. We have a deadline of finishing the phase 1 by 23rd May 2016. Second phase is the definition and planning, which we are planning to finish by 10th October 2016. These are very high-level deliverables. In this presentation, we will be discussing deliverables more in detail when we are in the core team meetings. The phase 2 will have 2 milestones, that is initial requirements review and initial design review. Phase 3 is the design and implementation, that is the release for verification. So that's when the software will be ready for releasing for the verification. That will be done by 14th November 2016. Phase 4 is verification. So by the end of the phase 4, end of the phase 4 would be the end of verification. That is 15th May 2017. The verification will have phase 4 will have 2 milestones, that is verification results design review and verification and validation readiness review. That means at the end of verification, our product would be ready for validation. And that is by 15th May 2017. Phase 5 is validation and transfer. So at the end of validation, our product would be ready for load delivery. That is, we will be building 8 systems and validating them, and by the end of validation, our product would be ready. So we are planning to finish phase 5 by 27th August 2017. Phase 5 will include validation, results design review, and it also includes submission of our product for 510(k), which is FDA standard. So at the end of phase 5, we will be ready for the release for load delivery. Phase 6 is the ramp up and monitoring. That is release for volume delivery. That's when our product would be released to ship to the customers. So at the end of phase 6, that is 20th November 2017, our product would be released. So our current target date for finishing our project and releasing our product, that is releasing the IMR technology, is 20th November 2017. Project assumptions. So these are the assumptions which are believed to be true, and if these assumptions become false, then they possess a risk to the project's business case. One of the assumptions is images produced by IMR will be acceptable to the end user, that is our customers. Second is 510K for IMR gets approved by FDA. We are assuming that we will get the FDA clearance for IMR on 14th of July 2017. Project exclusions. This project will not manage or establish plans for the present install base for MCT and FLAIR scanners. Our current install base MCT scanner is 3.2 version and FLAIR is 3.5 and 4.0 version scanner. Project acceptance. So 8 systems will be tested for integration, verification, internal validation, and safety. 8 systems for each of the product, that is MCT, FLAIR, and TR64. The CIRS and console subsystems are contributing subsystems to the development of this feature. Hence, they will be tested for IMR requirements. The design output will be integrated and evaluated at the system level. The system verification lead will test the IMR system requirements on the Ingenuity and on the FLAIR and MCT scanners. The validation team will internally validate the IMR customer requirements. They will leverage the raw data from the previously externally validated project. In addition, the IMR physics lead will also evaluate the integrated IMR feature to ensure that technical specifications of IMR and the scanners are met. So thank you for attending this meeting. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer you. And welcome to the CT IMR project. Thank you.